When we cleaned all the old paint off this lathe, we noticed that the original paint was a green color. So we decided to paint it green.
On camera, this paint shows up looking like it's John Deere green, but it's a little darker and you look at it with your eyes. And like the can says, it's Oliver green, like the tractor Oliver. These are a few parts we painted previously. Parts of the way. This is the brake. This here is the back plate for the chuck. Probably definitely going to replace this, but if we do use it, we're probably going to take that paint off and we're going to use some blackening on it instead.
I've given all of these parts one coat of paint, and after one coat I went back, and once it was dry I sanded it down. These castings were pretty rough. You can see where I knocked off all the high spots. So I'm going to give these another coat of paint. This headstock here has already had 2 coats, and the second coat really helps smooth it out a bit. I could go with a third, but I think 2 is probably just fine for what I'm doing. So this piece is done. I still have to give a second coat on the carriage and on the tailstock. The second coat seems to work nice where the casting is heavy. First coat kind of fills in, and then we sand off the peaks and give it a second coat. It tends to smooth out the look of the casting somewhat.